Hey art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing fives from the Clone War, Star Wars Clone War. All right, so I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm just gonna kind of lay this out a little bit. He's got a very chiseled face, meaning he doesn't have a lot of body fat on his face. Okay, so I'm just kind of laying it out, laying out where everything goes. So then when I go in with my marker, I am more sure of what I'm doing. His eyes go above his ears, and he's got these raised eyebrows. A furrowed little thing between his eye. Kind of a squinty eyes. And then his nose is kind of at the bottom of his ears here. Like that. Okay. All right, so here we go. So to start with, I'm gonna start by just drawing a nice line to his eyeball area, and then it's gonna come out and then back in and down. And then for his ear, it's gonna kind of come out a little bit like that and then come around. Okay. Then his jawline is gonna come in, kind of flatten out, come back out, come up. And then right about where his nose is, he's got this ear coming out, like so. And then his jaw kind of comes out and back in, kind of where his eye is. And then it comes back around, okay?